Health insurance has become very important nowadays, keeping in mind the rise in cost of medical expenses and also the fact that diseases like hypertension and diabetes have become very common. What all parameters do you think an individual should be considering while looking for a suitable health insurer? And what all benefits do you think an individual should keep in mind?
So when you look for a health insurance product, few things that you need to keep in mind is regarding your insurance company, you need to see what kind of products they are offering, what kind of network hospitals they have, and what is the settlement rate of their claims that they follow over a period of years. Regarding the product that you have to buy, you have to basically see clauses regarding waiting periods, what are the waiting periods in your policy, any permanent exclusions or any limits that they have insurance company has defined in your product, as well as are there any restrictions in your product regarding copay or proportion clauses or anything, so that this gives you a very comprehensive insurance cover and you know upfront as to what you are getting into at the time of buying the insurance policy.
There are two ways in which a claimant can file a claim, by cashless or reimbursement. Could you please explain how cashless and reimbursement work? Also, how can one be better than the other?
So there, as you rightly mentioned, there are two ways in which you can claim your benefit, hospitalization benefit, either cashless or reimbursement. In cashless, you visit the network of hospitals that we've created, and once you go there, you visit the TPA desk, submit your documents, then the whole transaction is between the hospital and us, and you get discharged and go home, and we pay to the hospital directly. In reimbursement, the process works is you go to select your own hospital, you pay your bill, and then file the documents with us, and we reimburse the expenses to you. For cashless, it is always better if you claim cashless service as a claim, because it is very seamless. It is between the hospital and us, and the payment is directly made to the hospital, and you don't need to be out of pocket like in reimbursement. You need to pay and then claim later. So cashless is always better.
Got it. Speaking of pre and post hospitalization cover, and taking an example of Care Supreme, it offers 60 days of pre-hospitalization and 180 days of post-hospitalization. Why do you think a wider range is important?
So when we get admitted to the hospital, we incur some expenses at the time of before admission of hospital, either doctor coverage or pharmacy or diagnostics, as well as when we get discharged from the hospital, we incur a lot of expenses after, while continuing pharmacy, going and visiting doctors, going through a diagnostic test again. So having a wider coverage allows you to cover a lot of more expenses than having a shorter coverage of period, so that it gives you a more comprehensive cover with wider coverage of number of days.
How can a claims process be made simpler? Should a person be filing claims repeatedly every 15 days so that it doesn't become a tedious process?
That's a very good question, Sumrata. Customers always ask us, having a wider coverage of 60, 180 days, I have to keep collecting bills and keeping with me. What if they get lost? So what we allow customers to do is they can keep filing it every 15 days, and uploading it on the app and the portal makes it much easier. So they can keep claiming repeatedly till the 180 days coverage expires.
As a health insurance provider with a wide network of hospitals, how do you ensure a customer can avail the medical treatments at the lowest possible cost?
So as a health insurance provider, we have a comprehensive network of hospitals where our customers can avail cashless treatment. When we create this cashless network of hospitals, two things that we keep in mind is the quality of the hospital that we empanel, as well as competitive pricing, so that customers can best avail the sum insured that they have. Along with this, we also have a benefit called Discount Connect, where customers can get discounts on pharmacy, outpatient consultation, as well as diagnostics on this network.